we are going to attempt to fit this chip into my friend Emily's mouth. This way, the way that goes in, and the way of wideness. Go!
Okay, it's already got a little crack in it, so this is going to be her. This way first. Wait. Yeah, this way.
She got it, she got it. Now she has to take it back out. We'll watch her. Okay, now she's going to attempt to put it in the wideness. It's cracking! She did it! She did it! It's in! It was in. It was in.
Uh-huh.
That was awesome. Now I'm going to attempt to put this funny looking chip, which is very small. Wait, why am I pointing the camera at you?
I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna see how many chips I can fit in my mouth at once. Go.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chips. That's a record. This has been epic chip eating time. Oh yeah. Please subscribe to this video, or comment on the video, or whatever, and subscribe to my channel.